Peace be upon you, subscribers. Welcome to the Pi Network Revolution, where the future of finance begins. Let's cut through the noise and unlock the truth. Just because a currency is listed on exchanges doesn't mean it's fully unleashed. Why? Because Pi isn't just another coin, it's a movement designed to thrive, not just survive. The masterminds behind this project are building an empire, and they won't let short-term chaos sabotage long-term glory. Trust the process. The skeptics' whispers will fade into oblivion. Here's the game-changing breakdown. 100 billion Pi currencies fuel this ecosystem, strategically allocated to power its rise. 20B for the visionary core team. 10B to ignite market liquidity. 5B for groundbreaking projects, think innovation on steroids. 5B for reimbursements, and 1B already trading, with 4B locked as future gold. 60 billion remain, set to flood the market strategically over years. This isn't scarcity, it's controlled ignition. But wait, Pi isn't just digital money. It's a payment revolution engineered to dominate the new financial frontier. This is digital gold in the making. So, to anyone selling on OKEx right now, stop, pause, breathe. The real fireworks begin February th, when we unveil Pi's true value. Why cash out crumbs when a feast awaits? Price surges, inevitable. The more Pi integrates into global payments, between you, businesses, and beyond, the higher demand and value skyrockets. Early days, volatility is normal. Fear sells, wisdom waits. Do not fall for the noise. Those panics selling now. They're regretted when Pi's ecosystem outshines every, ordinary, crypto. Remember, unlike coins shackled to speculation, Pi is built for real-world utility. It's faster, smarter, unstoppable. Holders today are the pioneers of tomorrow. So lock those coins in a vault, throw away the key and laugh at the doubters. Their negativity, static in your symphony of success. We've waited years, why stumble at the finish line? Stay patient. Stay sharp. The payoff, a revolution that redefines wealth. And if you're still here but haven't hit subscribe, what are you waiting for? Dive into the inner circle for exclusive updates on Pi's meteoric rise. Did this ignite your vision? Then send a prayer for Prophet Muhammad, and let's conquer this financial